Good morning, Chief.
Good morning, Chief.
How are you doing?
Right.
Fine. What is cooking today?
Now we have chicken sausage.
Chicken sausages on the frying pan. So finally we are going to get some fresh provisions this time.
Yes, we have.
Oh, very lucky, huh? Already 2.5 months, no fresh provisions. And friends, Chief Cook will be signing off. That means he will be going home in this port. So he has spent almost 9 months on board, and I wish him all the best. Now I'm on the way to the forward station because we have to start heaving up the anchor. Because we've already got instructions from the port authority and the pilot that सुबह 8:30 बजे pilot है. So anchor heave up करने को कम से कम 30 से 40 मिनट लग जाते हैं. तो इसलिए थोड़ा एडवांस में जाके we have to start heaving up the anchor so that हम लोग pilot station टाइम पे पहुंच सकें. And this is what we are going to do now. We are going to start heaving up the anchor and proceed towards the pilot station. Here you can see the pilot ladder is ready for the pilot boarding. Pilot ladder and gangway both. इन दोनों के combination को combination ladder बोलते हैं because our freeboard, that is the distance from the sea water until the deck level, is more than 9 meters. So इस केस में हमको combination ladder rig करनी पड़ती है because height बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So that is a requirement for easy boarding of the pilot. I'm at the forward station now and we have the deck crew also standby. So anytime we will start heaving up the anchor now. Just waiting for the captain's orders. So friends, starboard anchor already heave up हो चुका है. It is brought home. Brought home का मतलब ये होता है कि जो उसकी securing position है hose pipe में, so anchor उस पर already secure हो गया है and it is ready for letting go in any case of emergency. Now we are proceeding towards the pilot station to pick up the pilot.
We are Golden Lion and we are ready for arrival.
friends, now we have completed the arrival operations, that is the mooring, and finally we are alongside the berth. And पूरे 2.5 महीने के बाद vessel port में आया है. Now we are going to start the loading operations very soon, and we are waiting for the port authorities for inspection purposes. So finally we are alongside, and now we will carry out the port operations. So guys, we have completed the arrival formalities. जो cargo hold inspection होनी थी, that is already done and we have passed. I thank all my deck crew and all the staff for their hard work and dedication. So cargo holds pass हो चुके हैं, initial draft survey है complete हो चुका है, all the inspections are done related to the cargo loading. So right now we are loading wheat in bulk. So the cargo work is going on, and अभी सिर्फ 2.5 से 3 घंटे हुए हैं कार्गो वर्क शुरू हुआ है. एंड एज़ पर द पोर्ट अथॉरिटीज़ एंड लोडिंग मास्टर हमें कम से कम यहाँ पे 1 हफ़्ता लगेगा टू कंप्लीट द लोडिंग ऑफ द शिप. एंड अगर बीच में बारिश नहीं हुई या मौसम ख़राब नहीं हुआ तो प्रॉबेबली इट विल टेक 7 days, एंड देन वी विल बी लीविंग ब्राज़ील फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन. So I hope everything will be fine in this loading operations, and the complete operation is carried out smoothly and safely. So friends, as I told you, the vessel is in port now, और हमारे ship पे नए crew join किए हैं. So I would like you to introduce to the new chief cook.
Hello, I'm Chief Cook Michael Obolanam from Philippines, and I just joined yesterday on board.
So chief, which was your last ship?
My last ship is Turquoise P. It is an FSRU LNG, which based in Turkey.
So how many months contract you are on this ship now?
Now I signed 9 months.
9 months contract. Okay, so friends, इन्होंने 9 months का contract लिया है, which is normally जो एक ship के crew का होता है. So he is the new chief cook now.
Yes.
And the old chief cook will be signing off tomorrow, most probably. And उन्होंने भी एक्चुअली अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 9 months शिप पे निकाले हैं. सो इनका जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है वो 9 months का ही होता है, बट ऑफिसर साइड में मे बी थोड़ा कम होता है. सो आई विश द न्यू चीफ कुक ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द गुड लक, एंड आई नो ही विल मेक वेरी डिलीशियस फूड फॉर अस. सो आई thank him for that. Okay chief, so all the best.
Yes, thank you, Chief.
Take care. Thank you. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का दिन भी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आई एम बैक टू द अकोमोडेशन टू टेक रेस्ट. एंड जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि लोडिंग ऑपरेशंस आर गोइंग ऑन, एंड ऑल्सो द डीबैलेस्टिंग ऑपरेशंस विच आई विल कीप यू अपडेटेड ऑन डेली बेसिस. सो पोर्ट में जो कुछ भी होगा मैं आपको रोज़ दिखाता रहूँगा एज फार एज आई कैन, एंड एज द टाइम परमिट्स. So please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked the today's video. Stay happy, stay safe, and thank you for watching.